The holidays are a time of tradition. One of those traditions a lot of folks celebrate is family movie night. Sit down with the family and watch a favorite classic story of the holidays. Tonight, we're going to watch one of the newer classics come to life right before our eyes. All aboard for the Polar Express. We're at the Western Maryland Scenic Railroad depot in Frostburg, Maryland tonight. From here, it seems kind of quiet, and right now the tracks are empty. But if you listen, you can hear 1309 hammering up the grade on the head end of the Polar Express. This is an extremely popular excursion, as you can tell by the length of the train. I can hear the diesel that provides outbound power, but I don't think we're going to be able to see that, even from our vantage point this far down from the depot. The crew of 1309 does their routine service checks, restocks the coal bunker from the back of the tender, and makes sure the old gal is ready for her roll on the next return trip to Frostburg. Sitting high on the eastern slope of Savage Mountain, just the name Frostburg evokes wintry thoughts of the Christmas season. This provides the perfect ambiance for 1309 to fulfill her role in transporting pajama-clad passengers to the North Pole for a visit to meet Santa. The passengers are all smiles, and the young ones seem even more anxious for Santa's visit.
I will carry you on it in a minute, my friend.
The last few passengers make their way onto the train, while families wait for that whistle signaling departure. And the 5 p.m. Polar Express is pulling away. Now, once again, it's quiet at the depot. The train's on the way to the North Pole and the next passengers haven't arrived yet. Thanks for coming along tonight. And until the next one, have a very Merry Christmas.